Alright, so today I have a very surprising video on Pudgy Penguins airdrop, and I believe you must be eligible for this airdrop. So how to claim this Pudgy Penguin airdrop and how to check whether your wallets are eligible for this airdrop or not. So before continuing to the video, before continuing the whole process how to claim this Pudgy Penguin airdrop, just hit on the subscribe button if you are watching this channel for the first time, and just like the video if you like the content. So let's start the Pudgy Penguin airdrop. So this is the official website of the Pudgy Penguin, and due to the load to the website, it's not opening from past 10 to 15 minutes. But this, let's understand what is Pudgy Penguin. So Pudgy Penguins is now listed on Binance, and this is about Pudgy Penguin. So PENGU is the official token name, and PENGU is the official coin of Pudgy Penguins. Pudgy Penguin has become the face of crypto with one of the most influential communities in the industry. From large companies wearing the penguin to being the featured in ETF commercial. So PENGU allows for ever expanding Pudgy Penguin fan base and hundreds of millions of the people outside of the crypto that see the share the Pudgy Penguin every day. So PENGU is the symbol of community, memes and good vibes. PENGU, so believe in PENGU and believe in the prophecy of PENGU. So PENGU is going to be very high, and if you are familiar with the NFTs of Pudgy Penguin, they are trading at very high prices. So I think they have exposed that kind of fan base, that kind of prophecy into the meme coin, which is Pudgy Penguin meme coin. And I have a very good article to explain why you should be able to get this here. So this is the article where it is this. So if you see, so Pudgy Penguin launches PENGU token with 88-day claim window before burn. So they have opened the airdrop claiming for next 88 days, and after that they will burn all the allocated token if you are not able to claim those tokens. So how to claim and why you will be eligible, let's go a bit down. So this is a tweet from Phantom. They are saying if you swapped in Phantom prior to 2024, you are eligible for PENGU airdrop. So this is from Phantom, and recently, just 3 days back, I have uploaded a video about Phantom airdrop, and now you are started getting the airdrop from Phantom swap. So I would personally advise you just try using Phantom feature so that you will be eligible for future airdrops. So this is from Phantom, and let me go down a bit to show you 7 million wallets are eligible for PENGU token outside Pudgy Penguin ecosystem. So there are 7 million wallets which are eligible for PENGU airdrop, which are not from Pudgy Penguins ecosystem. They are outsiders, and I believe you must be eligible. So how to check that whether you are eligible for that or not? So for that, you have to go to the official website of claiming Pudgy Penguin, which is claim.pudgypenguins.com. Just make sure, there are many phishing websites are running with the name IO over here, but I will paste this link into the description of this video so that you can directly go to this website and then connect a wallet to check PENGU eligibility. So first thing is connect, second is connect claiming wallet. So basically they are checking the eligibility through all the ETH wallets, through all the Solana wallet, and then they are airdropping these airdrop PENGU tokens to your Solana wallet. So first step, check all the wallets, connect all the ETH and Solana wallet, and then connect the receiving side of the wallet and then claim PENGU. So if you see, I have connected, I think this website is a bit slow. If you see, then a lot of people are claiming right now. So this might be a glitch in the website. Like you can see, I have connected my wallet, multiple wallets, and now I have received 20,000 PENGU into the airdrop, and I will be claiming very soon, and hopefully, and I will be holding for the long term because Pudgy Penguin is the budge of this cycle. So what is the value of this airdrop? 20,000 PENGU token with the price of 0.03, which is around $600. So $600 airdrop of Pudgy Penguin if you are active on chain. But if you have multiple wallets, how to check them? So I have solution for that. This is another website which is called Diligence, and you have to paste your addresses here, and then it will show you all the eligible wallet addresses, and then you can directly connect only these wallets to claim the airdrop. So let me show you how to do that. What you have to do is you have to connect this wallet. Now it is saying checking for the eligibility. Let me reload. All right, so you have to link ETH wallet and Solana wallet. So let me connect my wallets. Now it is showing and it will show the pop-up. So this way you have to connect all the wallets one by one. So they have option of connecting OKX wallet, MetaMask wallet, Ronin, Magic Eden, Coinbase, a lot of different wallets. So if you feel that you have wallets which have on-chain activity before 2024, then you should connect all the wallets. It might be very hectic, for at least it will take 30 minutes, but this is the best solution for you, which is checker.diligencedao.com. They will help you to find all the eligible wallet. What you have to do, you have to just paste all the wallet addresses over here, and they will give you eligible wallet address so that you can directly connect only those wallets which are eligible. So that's all about the Pudgy Penguin airdrop, and I hope you must receive an airdrop of at least $200 or $300 plus into this Pudgy Penguin ecosystem. So if you like my content, just hit on the subscribe button, just like the video and share with your friends, because ultimately this airdrop will go into burn. Why sending this airdrop into burn? Because Pudgy Penguin airdrop will burn all the airdrop tokens which are unclaimed after 88 days. And this Pudgy Penguin is now listed on bigger and bigger exchanges. It is available on Binance, and very soon this token will be listed on different exchanges, Coinbase, Robinhood maybe, because Pudgy Penguin is the budge of this cycle. So just try to claim, don't let this token to burn. So share this video with your friends who are active into the on-chain activities so that they can also get the airdrop into their wallets. So that's all about this Pudgy Penguin video. See you into the next video. Thank you.